Build
Dave
a
the
brand,
Detailer was
not
a
a
one-man
one-man
band,
band.
earning a decent living but spending lots of money advertising. He noticed that it wasn't getting many repeat customers, as customers forget who he was or how to pass his details on easily, or accidentally passing leads to a competitor. Someone suggested he should rebrand from Dave's Detailing to Mr. Detailer with the matching registration plate DE71ALR. Pretty soon, Dave had to hire staff to keep up with demand, as everyone wanted to get their pride and joy looked after by Mr. Detailer. Quite soon, Dave dominated his competition in his area, and people from out of town wanted to use his branding and get his leads. That's when Mr. Detailer franchise was born, and the rest is history. Don't be a one-man band. Build a brand with a unique business registration plate. Find yours at ubrplates.co.uk.